Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video I have this effective hairspray. It's going to grow out your edges. Like if you're suffering from alopecia, you're suffering from thin ends, you're suffering from cut splits, you're having hair loss, this is going to help you out. Okay, I'm using fenugreek seed here. I'm also going to be using cinnamon. I'm also going to be using my favorite right now, which is clove. Clove is all over the places, so please try clove on your hair and it works like wonders. So guys, I'm also going to be writing the benefit down below. And guys, my YouTube channel is all about new hair growth journey. If it's something you like and you want to join the family, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn up the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notification whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. I'm going to write the benefit down below, so guys, check the benefits. Alright, let's get started. This our DIY spray. So I'm going to be using this cup. This is 1 cup. Yeah, this is my measuring cup, 1 cup. Then I'm going to be using 2 cups of these. Then I'm going to be using my tablespoon. That is 1 tablespoon. So I'm going to, this whole clove is like 1 tablespoon when I measured it, but I'm just going to be using all of it because this was the last one I had. So I'm just going to be using all of it. Then I'm also going to be adding 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seed. I'm also going to be writing the benefit of fenugreek seed and clove and cinnamon down in the description box, and I'm also going to write it on this video. So I'm going to add in these two cinnamon in this recipe. Then I'll add water. I'm using lukewarm water. So if you want to use this mixture immediately, you can use hot water and leave it to soak for like 3 hours, then you can start using it. But me, I'm not really using it immediately, so I left this to soak for like overnight. Yeah, so I left this to soak for overnight, then I used it the next day. So this is what it looks like right now, and it's still, it's just newly soaked inside the water. These are the benefits. Yeah guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share and comment. Guys, this spray is going to grow your hair very, very well. This is after 3 hours of soaking this. Yes, this is after 3 hours of soaking this, and this is what I have right now, and this is the next day in the morning. This is what it's looking at. Like, it was looking really, really dark, like really, really dark, and this was in the afternoon because I was just not ready to remove this from the water. I was just looking at it. It was just okay. So this was in the afternoon. I strained this in the afternoon, and this is what it looks like in the afternoon. It has, brought out all the nutrients into the water. So guys, this is what it looks like. I've strained it in my sieve. Then I will transfer it in my spray bottle, and I will show you guys how I apply this on my hair. This is good for alopecia, thin edges. What do you have? Guys, find my daughter. She will not allow Mama to do anything. So I'm just going to spray this on my front. Then I'll make sure I give it like 5 minutes or 10 minutes, or depending on how long you want to stay, and keep on massaging this into my scalp. Massage. Then I'll add any oil of your choice. Me, I'm using my ginger and cloves oil. Then I'll massage this also, because you cannot just spray your hair without using oils. Does that make sense? And yeah guys, my front hair is coming out, my hair is growing. This will grow your hair like crazy, and to give you nice volume of hair growth. I do this 2 times in a week. So you can do 2 to 3 times in a week, so because you don't too much touch your hair. Okay, all right guys, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new here, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notification whenever I upload a new video. And so like and comment and share. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. Mia, say bye bye. Miyush, say bye. Say bye bye. Say bye bye. Say bye bye. Say bye bye. Bye guys.